Cervical cerclage. See what happens. Normally, pregnancy, the cervix is like the mouth of the uterus. So usually, it will be a particular measurement. It should be of a particular more than 2.5 centimeter. Nowadays, pregnancies are becoming little complicated because the mothers are conceiving late. So most of the complications will happen. Then one of them is short cervix. The cervix will become short. So if the cervix is the one, like you can say a mouth of a bag, if we close it, then nothing will come out. But suppose the mouth becomes short and then the bag opens, the baby will come out. So the pregnancy will miscarry. So that's where it is important. So it cannot open. So what we do as soon as with scan, we notice that the cervix has become short and pregnancy is at risk. Then what we do is we tie a suture. We tie a stitch and we close the mouth of the uterus so that the pregnancy cannot come out. So this is a very important surgery. Usually we do around second trimester after the NT scan, and then we that is also a 2-day procedure. The patient will come, and then after that they need some rest and some support for the pregnancy. So usually that has good. Like I have seen, patients will usually carry till term after cerclage. So nowadays complications are very less with this kind of surgeries also. Earlier infections were there, sometimes leaking and all used to happen in olden times. But nowadays nothing is there. Cerclage is very safe operation for the patients.